안녕하세요.
Want to come and study in Korea? Then you probably have a few questions.
Well, don't worry because we're about to answer all of your questions and tell you everything you need to know about LTL Seoul. Today, we're going to talk about the school, our Korean courses, how to enroll, and our accommodations.
We'll put all the chapters below, so click through to the most relevant question for you.
The school is located right next to Hongdae, which means lots of bars, lots of restaurants, super nice cafes, and a really nice nightlife if you're so inclined.
So LTL is located very close to 3 subway stations in Seoul. Hongdae Station and Hapjeong Station on line 2 and Sangsu Station on line 6.
Our school has 10 big, bright, beautiful classrooms. And if you want to find out more, you can check out our little school tour down below in the description.
So outside of class, we have plenty of facilities, including a wonderful terrace area, which is great to study in the summer. You have a common area here, and we also have a fully stocked kitchen, which includes ice machine, coffee machine, microwave, fridge, and much more.
There's tons to do. There's beautiful cafes, vintage shops, if you like fashion, there's escape rooms, there's street performances every single day. There's an amazing nightlife as well. There's really something for everybody.
There's absolutely a wonderful student community here at LTL Seoul. Our cultural specialist Leo runs student events, multiple in fact, every single week, and we will also accompany you to lunch from Monday to Friday throughout the week.
About our courses, we have small group courses, which are your general Korean, 4 hours a day, Monday to Friday, to really get your Korean going. If you want something a little bit more intense, we also have small group and individual, which is 2 hours of one-on-one added in the afternoon. If you want maybe to practice your spoken Korean or get a little bit ahead, we also have individual courses, 20 and 30 hours. And we also have semester programs if you want to study for a little bit longer.
So our safari classes are really unique because it gives you an opportunity to take your class outside with your teacher. If you want to know more details about our safari classes, we have a dedicated video where you can find the link in the description.
We are super flexible. We adapt to you. You can study from 1 week to however long you want, and we will be happy to welcome you.
If you've never studied Korean before, check out our website for all the start dates. However, if you know some Korean or you're taking individual classes, you can start any Monday of the year.
We use Sejong Korean textbooks from Sejong Hakdang, which are well balanced and perfect to follow the class, so you can get your Korean to the next level.
Yes, of course, all our teachers are native speakers and fully qualified to help your Korean improve further.
Yes. Everybody gets a certificate when they graduate with the level they ended up with and the duration of their course. Very easy. Go onto our website and send us an email or a chat through our contact form, and one of our student advisors will get in contact with you to help you enroll.
There's absolutely no requirements to join us here at LTL. However, if you have studied some Korean before, we will ask you to do a small placement test so we can put you in exactly the right class. Regarding visas, unfortunately we don't sponsor visas. However, many passport holders around the world can enter Korea for a number of days, which will cover your course.
No extra fees whatsoever. The textbooks are included. There's no registration fees, no placement fees. What you pay is what you pay, and then you're free to just come join us.
We do indeed have a number of additional services, such as an airport pickup or a SIM card. Check out further details on our website.
We offer homestays, mini apartment goshwons, as well as service apartments.
There are so many benefits to staying with a homestay family here in Seoul, which include wonderful home cooked food, 24/7 Korean, and exploring the city through locals' eyes.
Everything's covered in your homestay. They'll have breakfast and dinner with you, delicious home cooked meals, and yeah, just enjoy.
Yes, you will indeed. We will send you information about your homestay family 2 to 3 weeks before your course starts. And bonus feature, if you want to meet some of our homestay families, check out our Meet the Homestay feature on our channel.
That's all from us. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments or contact us through email.
Hope to see you in Seoul very soon.
안녕!